2,500 years ago, an Indian prince by the name of Siddhartha witnessed the suffering of all beings and vowed to find an end to this suffering. He became known as the Buddha, the Awakened One, and taught the 84,000 ways out of suffering and into finding liberation and ultimately enlightenment. 2,500 years later, the ancient teachings of Lord Buddha returned in a modern form through His Eminence Tsem Rinpoche. Kechara brings you the treasures of the Buddha Dharma in Tsem Rinpoche's Enlightenment series with The Living Buddha Within, a clear explanation on karma and reincarnation. Gurus for Hire, Enlightenment for Sale, a modern and practical guidebook on relating to lamas, centers, and starting out on a spiritual path. Snakes, Roosters and Pigs, a deep and profound explanation on the three afflictive emotions that are the real cause of all of our problems. Kechara books are available at Kechara outlets in Malaysia and online at vajrasecrets.com.